This is another simple tatted motif that I'll be sharing with you all today, and this is done using shuttle and ball thread again, and this has 5 rings attached together to form a motif, and we can do as many pieces as we want. In my following videos I'll be showing stepwise how to do it, and I hope you'll all like it and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now for the first ring, it's a ring of 5 double stitch, and then we are going to work 6 picots. That is, the first and 6th picot will be smaller, and these 4 will be a little bigger picots because we have to attach to the next ring. So these picots will be smaller. Now let's start with first ring. Form a ring from the shuttle thread. And the first double stitch will be formed. This way we are going to do 5 double stitch. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, now the first picot will be a little smaller, then 1 double stitch, and the 4 picots will be bigger this way. Two, 3, 4, now the 6th picot will be smaller one, and then 5 double stitch again to close this ring. 3, 4, 5. Now let's close this ring. This is how it looks. Now let's work with the next ring. Form a ring again from the shuttle thread. Very near to the first ring end part we have to place a knot. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we need to join to this previous picot. Place a second double stitch, and then 1 more double stitch, and 4 picots which will be bigger. Three, 4 double stitch and a smaller picot again, and then 5 double stitch to close this ring. rings are completed. Let's proceed with the third ring. Let's proceed doing the third ring. I'm going to go a bit slow to show you how the knots are being formed. You can go over my previous links also to see how the knots are being formed. Here I'm going to show you one or two again. Now keep the shuttle thread parallel to the ring and thumb finger of the right hand, and these two fingers on top of the thread. For the first knot, I'm going to move my shuttle in this way and form a knot from the left hand thread. And again, keeping the shuttle parallel to these fingers and these two fingers on top of the thread, move the shuttle from top to bottom, leave it straight, that is, keep the shuttle thread straight, and form the knot from the left hand ring thread. Once again I'm going to show you. This will be the first knot, that is, the shuttle will move from down to top, and keeping it straight, move this left hand thread to form a knot, first knot. And for the second knot, we are going to move the shuttle thread from top to bottom, pulling it straight, move the left hand thread to form the second knot in this way. Now this will be continued. In this way we are going to continue, and I'll be back with you when I'm doing the last ring to show you how to close this motif. Here I'm doing the fifth ring, and that will be joined to the first peak of the first ring to close this motif. Let's start. As usual, 5 picots, 5 double stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join to the previous picot. One double stitch, and now 4 picots. And now here we need to join to the first ring to close this motif. For this, keep the first ring picot, first picot on top of the ring, as I'm showing, and pull the thread out slowly. Move the shuttle and check for the movement of the thread, and place a second double stitch And now we need to close, working with 4 double stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is done. And we need to pull this ring to close the ring. Pull it slowly. And now cut these 2 threads and place a knot. Now this motif is completed. We can make as many motifs as we require for a pattern. And for these cut threads, we can stick with Fevicol or something with gum. Now this is it.